Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. Today I'm going to be transplanting my Monstera Deliciosa. My Monstera Deliciosa I got back in, I think, March from one of my co-workers as a cutting. She had just picked up a nice, beautiful big plant from Salisbury greenhouses, and I asked her if she wouldn't mind giving me a cutting, and she said yes. So here it is. It has really rooted like crazy since I've gotten it. I've been meaning to transplant it sooner, but I've been waiting for a cooler day to do so. So look at all these roots that this bad boy's got. She's really healthy in the water, and I'm gonna transplant her and put her into soil, and hopefully we can get some nice growth right away here. So here we go. So I have my pot that I picked up from IKEA. It's the Upvakta. It is a 4.5 inch pot. This is 4.5 inch pot. 4 3/4 pot, so almost 5 inches. I picked it out because I really like the modern look of it with the actual clay that's showing and then the white ceramic finish. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna take the Monstera and plant it into here. I'm going to create a little swell in the middle there, and I'm going to put the plant inside and then cover it up. And my cat thought it would be a wonderful idea to try munching on the Monstera leaves, so unfortunately it does have some wear and tear to it because of my cat. Silly kitty. So I'm going to keep this out of reach from her so that it grows properly and I get some beautiful new leaves. There we go. I will grab some water her all in, but she's all planted up. I'm gonna put a little bit more soil in, I think. And this isn't a forever home. This is just temporary until she gets bigger. And then in that case, I will put her into a bigger pot, and then I'm gonna get a moss totem pole for her to climb up on, and she will look amazing eventually. I mean, she looks amazing right now, but just wait, like give her like 5 years or so. There's a lady I started watching who lives in England, I think, at least the UK for sure. I can't recall her name, but she's on YouTube. I will put her information on the link below so you can see all her wonderful, fun, and crazy rare plants that she brings in and sells in her shop. I absolutely love her. Her accent's amazing, and she does curse a little bit, so just be aware of that if you are going to check her out. Alrighty, all planted. Just going to get watered in now. I'll be sure that her soil stays moist and doesn't dry out, as she is used to being in a very wet condition with being water propagated. And then I'll slowly back off of watering until she shows me that she's ready to be watered again. I'll probably put on her schedule to be watered once a week after that, and see how she does. I'm gonna have her in an indirect light self-exposure on my plant stand. If you've been watching my earlier videos, you'll see where that is. I'll put it at the very end of where she is as well, so stay tuned to that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It means a lot to me. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.